Why are so many civil engineering companies embracing high-tech outsourcing? The answer lies in the growing demands of modern infrastructure development. Projects today are not only larger in scale, but also face unprecedented complexity in both design and regulatory requirements. Deadlines are tighter, client expectations are higher, and coordination between disciplines must happen faster and more seamlessly than ever before. Civil engineering firms are no longer evaluated solely on structural accuracy. Now, success depends equally on their ability to simulate, visualize, and communicate designs digitally from concept to construction. This evolution has changed the core fabric of civil engineering. Tools like Civil 3D, InfraWorks, Dynamo, and cloud-based platforms are no longer seen as enhancements, they have become essential. These tools drive everything from grading and stormwater modeling to road alignment, traffic flow, and site optimization. However, staying ahead of the technology curve demands continuous training, licensing, and integration, something that can quickly overwhelm even well-resourced in-house teams. The cost and time involved in building this kind of technical infrastructure internally are significant, leading many firms to explore outsourcing not just as a cost-saving measure, but as a strategy to remain competitive. High-tech outsourcing offers immediate access to specialized knowledge, digital capabilities, and scalable talent. For civil engineering firms, this means being able to bid on larger projects, deliver faster timelines, and handle a broader range of technical challenges without overstretching internal teams. It also means maintaining a high standard of accuracy and consistency across deliverables, something that's difficult to guarantee with overworked or undertrained staff. Among the outsourcing partners supporting this shift, AXA Engineers stands out for its deep alignment with the unique demands of the civil engineering industry. Rather than offering generic drafting services, AXA Engineers delivers full-spectrum support tailored to land development projects. The team is composed of experienced professionals who understand how to translate conceptual sketches into coordinated construction-ready documents using the latest design tools. InfraWorks is used for early-stage 3D modeling and stakeholder engagement, Civil 3D for detailed site layout and grading, Dynamo for automating repetitive workflows, and industry-specific tools for hydrology, traffic, and utility coordination. What sets AXA Engineers apart is not just technical proficiency, but operational fluency. Every workflow is structured around U.S. engineering standards, local permitting nuances, and the pressures of fast-track project delivery. By integrating seamlessly with internal teams and cloud-based project management tools like Autodesk Construction Cloud, AXA Engineers enables real-time collaboration regardless of time zones. Design iterations, version control, and markups happen with speed and clarity, reducing lag time and preventing miscommunication across stakeholders. This level of digital maturity is increasingly seen as a requirement, not a luxury. Firms that once hesitated to outsource are realizing that the right partner can actually enhance control, improve quality, and free internal staff to focus on value-added tasks. With AXA Engineers, outsourcing doesn't mean handing off work into a black box. It means gaining a transparent, agile extension of the core team. This is especially critical in an industry where recruiting skilled technical staff is difficult and staff turnover can derail timelines. AXA Engineers helps firms navigate these challenges with a combination of capacity, competence, and collaboration. Whether it's managing seasonal workload spikes or taking on full documentation packages for complex projects, the firm brings both consistency and speed to civil engineering delivery. As a result, clients can pursue larger opportunities, respond to market changes more nimbly, and maintain quality without compromising internal bandwidth. The move toward high-tech outsourcing in civil engineering is not a temporary trend driven by convenience. It is a strategic response to long-term industry transformation. The complexity of modern infrastructure demands a level of digital integration that few firms can achieve alone. AXA Engineers provides a bridge to that future. With the right partner, outsourcing becomes more than a resource. It becomes a reliable foundation for precision, innovation, and sustained growth in civil engineering operations.